Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the GameLoop emulator on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the GameLoop emulator on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of GameLoop, since that's where we can download the app. So just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the GameLoop emulator on this website, it's so simple. You just need to click this download button right here. And after clicking it, your GameLoop installer will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then finally, for the last step, just click the start button to open the app. And after that, it's done. Congratulations! You will now have your GameLoop emulator installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start using the app to play mobile games on your PC or laptop. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.